I wasn't going to record today, but we're about to go down Seven Mountain Hill, and it's pretty wild. It's got a few real good drops in it. So I'm going to show you guys that, since I've seen people come by here and not actually slow down. Oh. And I actually got in an argument with a Swift driver one time because he didn't stop here. He just blew right on by, and you're supposed to stop, make sure your brakes work before you go down here. It's pretty steep. It looks pretty cool. Truck's looking good. Just got it detailed yesterday. We're out here in PA again. So let's go ahead and hit it. Oh, and since no one knows yet, my bumper got ripped off whenever I left home, and a guy, whenever he backed up, his nose swing caught it and bent it straight out. So I went and got a square bumper finally. So let's go get down this hill. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it the right way, because there's a lot of guys that have these DEF trucks and stuff, and the DEF trucks, the Jake brakes are really, really good. You put them on stage 3 and the truck will damn near throw you through the front windshield. And these guys get comfortable with that, hauling 80,000 pounds down the hill, and they can hold it back. But if anything happens with the engine, anything, and it doesn't want to use the Jakes, and the Jakes fail, and you're doing double the speed limit fully loaded, your brakes are not going to slow you down, and you're going to crash, and you're going to kill someone, and then you're going to be on TV for being an idiot. So, show you how to do it properly. Let's go. So when you're going down the hill, you want to put as much drag on the engine as you possibly can. So I always turn on the AC so the compressor's on, turn your fan on, and put your Jakes in high. And you want to stay in the lowest gear you can, but still, you know, move down the hill. I think we're only going to be in 4th here. Oh, it'd be nice to let the brakes go. As you can see here, truck's over 21,000 gross weight stop. We just did back there, and now this is a map showing you exactly where the curves are, pull off area, your runaway ramp, everything you need to know to get down this hill safely. Oh, oof. Always put your 4-ways on so people behind you know you're going slow. Recording, right? Yeah. We'll start inside 1. water drums in it at the top, and if you make it past that, you're going down into the road and maybe down into this beautiful river right here. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Glad I grabbed the camera. Man, look at that.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come the sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kind of leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt and all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. One ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I gave them good loving like they I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk